Today we're going to show you the Stream SSM range submersible pump. It is a puddle pump that is mostly used when a conventional sump pump doesn't drain low enough. With low built-in impeller and check valve, the SSM pump can drain water lower to 5 mm and is great at removing water from pools, hot tubs, spas, cellars, driveways, flat roofs and many more similar applications. This is a SSM 400 with max flow capacity of 7,000 liters per hour. Quickly attach a 1.5-inch lay-flat hose to the pump. Let's see how it goes. The pool water can be drained away within minutes, saving great time and efforts from a gravity method. And the drained water can be used to water plants, clean floors and cars, reusing it at the best degree. It leaves as low as 5 mm water level, which can be simply brushed or tilled away, while a conventional sump pump will leave around 12 cm water level. No need to trouble with the deep water remained in the pools and spas anymore. When you need to clean and reuse the pool at summer season, the pump helps to clean and store water effectively. Get this budget pump and benefit below: low water residue, quick water drainage, pool water reusing, auto and manual switch at will. Stream offers a lot more models under your requirements.